WiseStamp allowed the district to go from hoping our employees followed the rules to knowing that they couldn't break them. We're an urban school district located in West Central Ohio. We serve approximately 7,200 kids, 100% economically disadvantaged. When you have over 1,000 employees, email signatures are very important to the branding of the district, the image of the district, and true professionalism. Before WiseStamp was implemented in the district, email signatures were very messy. We had old logos, old mascots. People had links that had expired. You had potential political statements. Since the implementation of WiseStamp, we no longer have to worry about anything being off-brand or violating board policy. We now have usable links. We connect to our own social media pages that helps direct traffic there and helps provide additional information for the district. We now are able to connect and communicate better with our businesses, with our community partners, with our parents, families, and students. The implementation of WiseStamp was flawless in the district. The platform is well built, easy to use, and easy to understand. This platform allowed us to, within a week, be up and running with a professional, branded email signature. Now that every staff email follows the rules, I believe it truly presents a unified image for us, as well as connects us as one Wildcat family. It makes me feel confident and proud of our district.